Hi, can I have a squishy, please? Sure, what kind? Yummy bear, please. Sure, coming right up. Since she was pretty nice, I'm gonna make her the beautiful yummy bear. Let's get started. So I'm going to Squishy Magic. I'm sorry for not uploading Squishy videos in such a long time because I was uploading Roblox and also Gacha Live videos. And now I have in day. Let's find the thing. Okay, now let's find the yummy bear. I'm gonna make it like that. I'm gonna find pink. There. Oh, I messed up. That's fine. There we go. That looks nice. Make that blue. Make that darker blue. And then make that yellow. There we go. Done. Let's make the wallpaper teal. Let's choose a name. Let's name the cute yummy bear. Yummy bear. There we go. Let's try it out. That was nice. Let's gift it. Let's make the box purple and make the ribbons to be dark blue. Preparing gift. Now I'm going to copy the link. But first thing first, I need to wait for this preparing gift thing. Okay, is it coming yet? Hello? It's really bad. I can't find it. Well, I guess, I don't know. You need to stop it. Okay, I'll try again. Gotta, do it again because, the internet is not good. So sorry if the internet is not good. Gotta remember what color I did last time. Let's see. Let's see if we could get it this time. That is really hard to get, huh? I guess that is bad. Well, I guess I should give her another yummy bear. Let's see. Are there another yummy bear that I have did? I think we do. There's a lot of stuff there. Galaxy Yummy Bear. That one looks nice. Purple. And not purple. There we go. Preparing gift. Let's wait. Let's wait. And there. This is not good. I think I should restart again. This is not good. Why does it have to be restarting? Well, that's fine. I'm gonna try to gift it to her. So I just accidentally sent it to TikTok. So I am going to do this. There we go. I hope she likes it. I love it. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.